Hi, today we are going to hex mesh this Clevis bracket. We are using HyperMesh 2019, that is the legacy version. So already we have made the video with the new version. You can find it out here. So let's start. So firstly, as you can see, like it is symmetrical about this YZ plane. So we just need some base point here at the middle. So what we can do here is we can just go to here, parameterize the line. Uh, by using F8 operation, and then we can just click on we can get some nodes here, and then we can just using F4 operation we can just check the distance between them and create a mid node between it. Now once this is done, we can go to here, solid edit. Now go to trim with plane and oblique surface option, and then we can just choose the x-axis as it is symmetrical about YZ plane. Then we will just select this base point and solid will be this one. Done. Now we can go to here and mask this solid, the one half of the solid. Done. Now we have got some idea here to hex mesh it. So we just need to split it into different parts to properly hex mesh it. So this is not a mappable solid, so we need to do it. So just go to this solid edit, and we will use this plane and this plane to cut this way along. Solids, this plane is fine, this plane is fine. Trim this. Done. Then we need to cut this also. So solid, this plane is fine. Trim this. Done. So we have got uh, this different solids here, and now uh, we are good to go here. One more plane we need to do it here, so I will just do it. Done. Now I will just save this view. Now we will do some batch matching here. So I'll go to here, my batch mesh. Okay, go back to my view, and now there are some try elements. We can remove this. Done. And what about this trier? So this also we can remove this if we want. Mm, done. Now we can just use the drag option to basically uh, create the solids. So I can just do some rough measurements here. So you can see this 2 points here. This is 40 mm apart. So we can just uh, go to this 2D drag, and we can just select these elements, and we can just uh, drag this about this nodes, and make sure the distance we will put n2 minus n1, and we have calculated it 20. So we need just 20 elements along this one, and just click on this drag. So let me just quickly create one more component, and then we will transfer these elements into that component. So I have masked the 2D elements. Now I will go to this collector, shift F11, and then I will transfer this to a new component. That's it. Now this hex mesh is done almost. Now I just need to uh, extract the faces, and I will just project it. I will just drag this 2D elements here. I just need some more points here. So to measure the distance, this is 10. So again, I will use the same drag elements by face, and then these two nodes, and I will put here 5. That's it. Now we'll do the same again here also, and now I will just measure this distance. This is 30. So I will go to this drag option, elements, put here. I'm just unselecting whatever I don't need this, and then we'll just put here this node to this node, and instead of 5 I will want 10 elements along this length. Done. And now go here, graphics. I will increase the level of CAD refinement. You can see that these nodes are in the line, and then I will just again extract this uh, 2D mesh face from the 3D mesh, and then I will again use this drag operation. Before that, I just need some nodes here again, and just I will measure this. You know, this is 16, so I want 8 elements here, and I will go to this track, elements by face, mm, 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 and yeah. So my elements are selected. Make sure this is n2 minus n1, and n1 is this, n2 is this. I want 10 elements here. Drag this, Done. So we are almost done except this part. So I'll just save my view, and then I'll just go here and try to batch match this also. Let's see. Okay, my batch match is created, and now I need to make sure that this element is connected to this element. So I'll go to here, shift F5, go to between this component and this component, find, okay, 1 second, okay, just need to put this face into some other component. Now I can just go to find between this component and this component nodes. There is only one node is sharing, so that means these elements are not connected. So what I can do here is I can just go to here, this component, and go to preview elements. As you can see, very less number of nodes are connected. So I will just go to increase this one and go to equivalence. If it is not equivalence, I can delete these elements and connect it by manually. Now this is fully connected. Then I need to make sure like this is 10 and these elements are proper 2 mm gap, so I can just use the drag operation here. So go to elements, by face, make sure this component is make as current component by face, and one is this node and two is this node. I need 5 elements, 1 2 3 4 5. That's it. Now I just put here, and now I can just go to unselect, mask these 2D elements and select all this, sorry, select all and unselect this 3D element and delete all. So I have just deleted all the 2D elements. I'll clear the free nodes. Okay, now I will unselect whatever is not needed. Okay, these are empty components anyways. Now I need to check whether proper connectivity is there or not. So I will go to here again, extract this face, and then uh, this face I will isolate and just go here, component. There are no free edges in this component, and there are some T connections are there. That means it is not properly connected. Okay. So what I need to do here is I will just mark this component and just go here and preview equivalence. So as you can see that this face is not connected. Now with this tolerance it will connect, so I will press equivalence. Now again the same procedure I will follow. I will again extract the new face. Now I will just go to here, no T connections are found and no free edges are found, and delete this edges and delete this face. Okay, that means this is now proper. So now at the same moment what I can do here is I can just select the quality check. So this aspect ratio is fine, Jacobian is also fine. There are 30 tri elements which are within the interior angle tolerance, and this angle is also fine. So I can just reflect this about this plane. So I will go here and go to tools, reflect, select all the elements here, go to here, select this plane. These three nodes define this plane, and base point you can select on the same plane. Now go to this element, duplicate original components, reflect. Done. Now we have reflected it, but it is not connected along this reflected plane. So I will go again, set preview. You can see this all nodes are there and just equivalence. So This is how you can just do the hexamesh of this Clevis bracket in HyperMesh legacy version. Thank you. Have a great day. By the way, you can download the part from CAD part and from the description and import it and follow along with the video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.